What's up, guys? This is Kid Go, as you could call me Shockmaster. I am playing a creative, look like a survival world, so I got to go find this dude stuff real quick. Yeah, wait, my camera. Oh, look, guys. There we go. So he's over here. I don't know what is he building, guys. Or what's he doing? Oh my god. Guys, you seem like I'm crashing. Or lagging. Right now, I don't know. So it says he's right here. They say I'm right above him, guys. So I don't know. Oops, he's over here. They say he's kicking straight and right. Oh. It says Blaze Phoenix. Blazing Phoenix. I don't know what he's doing. Wait, guys, gotta fix my camera. Wait. There we go. Still with the code. We're not there whole time, but I still couldn't read it. So I don't know what he's doing, guys. But I'm about to make a video like right after this. Going first. I'm about to make a video like right after this. And it should, yeah, my camera be fixed, yeah. Let's get a stone. Okay. So we're gonna keep doing the diamond now. There was supposed to be right there. I'm just trying to see something. Now to the stone. Now to the grass. See guys. Now to right there. I mean, time of life. Push him in the corner. To the diamond life. Push him in the corner. Oh my god. So then that's not with him. Push him down some. Push him down some. I don't know. So I for sure. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like going after this, it'll be better than this. I just want to see some. And I wanted you guys to know I'm still on. We've been saying all my videos are errors, so leave comment down below how to fix that, please, guys. Cause I've been making my videos. I hate changing my face on this, so I hope you enjoy. And check out your shout outs. Yeah, I gotta do shout outs. Shout out to Golden Zone. Shout out to Ty Hit 'em Up 95. Cause you remember that class video over there? You heard that voice at the end? That was me. Yeah, the first one, cause I said something, and it was really, really funny. And shout out to Shockmaster, you know that's me. Cause I haven't got 9 subscribers in that, and I love you guys subscribing to that. So yeah, peace.